آه 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 وريا جيل وريا. Where are you going, Gil?
I forgot to get the Anugil. What is wrong, brother?
I feel like nail is going in my lafaha.
Wait. Do you feel hot?
Yes. Shah kulelo kale. Come feel.
I can feel from here. Are you coughing? Bismillah. ثقيل لفتركيز. Do you have headache?
I feel like someone is hitting me with burros in my head.
هيا. Okay. Do you have أفور?
محاد كودا.
Like your mouth is stinking or something?
I don't know. Come and smell.
No, it is okay. I can smell from here.
Does it smell okay?
Not at all. Disgusting. Oof.
Gil,
Yes, صاحب.
do you think I have
No, you don't. إلهي يبض ما أنت.
I don't have what?
I mean, it is nothing. You have nothing. Absolutely nothing. You will be fine in couple hours.
Can you give me a ride to my uncle's house?
How old is your uncle?
95 Malahas.
والله 1 second. I will be back, okay?
Kali Warya, I'm joking. Now I know what kind of حيوان you are.
Ma'alin, why you joke like that?
نعلى آبها أرقى كيال.
Nimbo nafta.
You run away, let me die alone?
What are you talk about?
Why did you run away?
No, bro. I went to get you some cold water.
No, wallahi, I could tell you were running away.
You don't trust me? Okay. Touch my heart. What do you hear?
Fast beat because you're scared.
You don't get it. It's called love. Like when you break someone's heart.
Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Undo this hurt you caused when you walked out the door and walked out of my life. Uncry these tears.
Okay. If I ever get corona and you leave me, I promise I'll take you back home for Eid Arafah.